Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So we will discuss about dist plot, that means distribution plot in this class. So let us see the code. So distribution plot a plot is a type of distribution plot, friends. The condition is uh, it we have to give the numerical data to the plot. How many means no x and no y, both we shouldn't we should not give. Only uh, the yeah, we have to give only one data column to this distribution plot, friends. So let us see the code. So after loading the data set of tips, after setting the background style, plot size, and the plot title, we need to plot the distribution plot uh, between the x and y. So x is called the class interval here, what we are going to which we are going to provide, friends. The data we are going to provide, and then y is y axis is the frequency. Okay, so it is automatically taken by the Seaborn library. So the data we are giving, so the class interval will also be segregated by the Seaborn library. Okay, so this is the method we are going to call from the Seaborn library, friends. The method is dist plot, DIST PLOT, called distribution plot. And the parentheses, we please note, in the parentheses we have to give only one column of data. That column data type should be numerical in nature. This point you please remember. Okay, so let's see in the Jupyter notebook, friends. Okay, say SNS dot what, dist plot. So before that, let me set the plot size. Plot figure fig size of 10 comma 8. So distribution plot, a is equal to, not x is equal to. Here you can see the help. So for the distribution plot, we have to pass the a. That's it. There is bins are there, hist are there. These are all the different arguments. Okay. So if you want a hist, then histogram will comes up, KDA will comes up. So for the dist plot, these are the default arguments. Okay, friends. Let me plot the tips called DF of tips. Okay, let us fig size is equal to, wow, figure size, key error, tips are not available. Okay, that is not the tips, it is the tip. In our DF, the column name is tip. Let me check it. DF dot head. Here the column name is tip. Earlier we had given tips, that's why it doesn't show up. Now run it. Okay, it comes up. So plot dot figure and SNS dot dist plot of which column we are going to plot the distribution plot, the tip column. So tip column is of data type numerical data type, and we are going to plot how this data is distributed. Okay, so the data of tips are distributed like this. So in the on the x-axis, this is the class intervals and their corresponding frequencies is there, and it is the KDA line. Okay, so distribution line automatically drawn by the Seaborn library, friends. Here you can see in this class range, so it is the data is frequency is very high. Okay, so this is how uh, the data is distributed, friends. Okay, because the in from this 2 to from 2 to something like here, I think it may be 2 3 2.5 3.54, no, so 2 to 2.5, the values are very more. Okay, so this is the distribution plot, friends, and in the next class we will discuss about the histogram. Okay, till then, bye bye, yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.